Hello students. Last video we had completed nomenclature of aldehyde and ketones. Now we have to move with structure of the carbonyl group. How many sigma and pi bond are formed? How these bonds are formed? What is the hybrid state of carbon, oxygen? Everything we have to do. Now this carbon in CO group is sp2 hybridized. Which type of hybridization passes by this carbon? sp2. How sp2 hybridization takes place? We know the carbon ground state configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1 and 2py1. In excited state, we have 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Here 2pz is 0. So 1 electron excited from s to pz. Now we have 4 unpaired electron in s and p orbital. Out of these 4 orbitals, 3 will undergo hybridization. 1s and 2p. sp2 hybridization. After sp2 hybridization, we have 3 hybrid orbitals, which are sp2 hybrid orbital. 11th you had done. What is sp2 hybridization? So sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed, 3 which is having unpaired electron and 1 pz orbital which didn't take part in hybridization. It will be as it is atomic orbital which is 2pz. So still carbon has 4 orbital, 3 are sp2 hybrid orbital and 1 is 2pz. We know that if there is sp2 hybridization, 3 hybrid orbitals get arranged at an angle of 120 degree, geometry is planar triangular, in order to minimize the repulsion. So 3 hybrid orbitals get arranged at the corner of the triangle like this. These 3 hybrid orbitals, okay. They have unpaired electrons. P orbital lie perpendicular to the plane. This is 2pz orbital. Okay. sp2 hybridization, 3 hybrid orbital, 1 atomic orbital. 3 hybrid orbital arrange themselves in the space such that angle between them is 120 degree and the shape is planar triangular because they lie towards the corner of the triangle, planar triangular. So always whenever there is sp2 hybridization, the bond angle is 120 and the geometry is planar triangular. These are the orbitals of carbon. Now we know that oxygen has 2 unpaired electron in its last orbit, 2p ma be unpaired electron. So that orbitals of oxygen overlap with orbitals of carbon and form bonds. How? These are the orbitals of p orbital of oxygen. This is p orbital of oxygen. So oxygen p orbital, suppose this is 2pz and this is 2py. So 2pz orbital overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon and form sigma bond, and these 2 orbital overlap and form pi bond. Clear? Hybrid orbital of carbon overlap with p orbital of oxygen form sigma bond because it is axial overlapping. Bilateral overlapping, they form pi bond. So in carbonyl group, between carbon and oxygen, there is 1 sigma, 1 pi bond. Okay? And the shape is planar triangular. What is bond angle? 120 degree. Pi orbital, pi bond के जो electron cloud होते हैं, they will lie above and below the plane. See how the structure of ketone group या carbonyl group. See, all sigma bonds will lie in one plane. Sigma, sigma and sigma. But pi electron cloud lie above and below the plane. This is pi electron cloud. This is pi electron cloud. And 2 lone pairs are present on oxygen like this. So what is the structure of carbonyl group? Carbonyl group has a structure planar triangular. Planar triangular. कोई पूछे आपसे what is bond angle? So bond angle should be 120 degree because it is planar triangular. Between carbon and oxygen there is sigma and pi bond. Electron cloud of pi bond lie above and below the plane. This lie above, below. શું છે આ? pi electron cloud. Pi electron cloud lie above and below the plane. Clear? That is for the structure of carbonyl group. Now, this CO bond is polar bond. Carbon oxygen bond is polar bond. Why it is polar? Polar covalent bond. As oxygen is more electronegative, so it attract electron, get partial negative and partial positive charge. So carbonyl group, C double bond O group, is polar. It's polar covalent bond, and this is more polar as compared to CO group present in ether. Ether ની comparison માં આ વધારે polar હોય. એનું reason, એનું dipole moment વધારે હોય. More polar, so more dipole moment. Polarity measured by dipole moment. बहुत ज्यादा polar है, इसलिए इसका dipole moment भी ज्यादा होता है ether की comparison में. It is less polar, so its dipole moment is less. Why it has more dipole moment? दोनों में तो कार्बन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड है, उधर भी फर्क इतना है कि वहां सिंगल है यहाँ डबल है. तो क्यों इसका पोलैरिटी ज्यादा है, डाइपोल मोमेंट ज्यादा है? बिकॉज ऑफ टू रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. जैसे जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है, ये बॉन्ड का इलेक्ट्रॉन टूट के इस ऑक्सीजन के पास चला जाएगा. क्या बनेगा? कार्बन पे प्लस चार्ज, ऑक्सीजन पे 3 पेयर और माइनस चार्ज. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस polarity increase, dipole moment will be more. So in carbonyl group, polarity more, dipole moment more compared to ether. Polarity less, dipole moment is less. Ether का less, alcohol या carbonyl groups के ज़्यादा होते हैं. ठीक है? Now we'll do some in-text question for writing structures. 12.1. Question number 12.1. Alpha methoxypropionaldehyde. We had done this, but I'll show you. Alpha methoxypropionaldehyde. 12.1 in text question. First one we are doing. Propionaldehyde मतलब 3 कार्बन, अल्फा methoxy propionaldehyde. Clear? Next it is given as 3-hydroxybutanol. 3-hydroxybutanol. How to write 3-hydroxybutanol? 2, 3 અને 4 આ butanol. 1, 2, 3 ऊपर hydroxy means OH group. This is 3-hydroxybutanol. Okay. Next it is 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbaldehyde. 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbaldehyde. Cyclopentane. This is cyclopentane. CHO carbaldehyde. 2 ऊपर hydroxy. 2-hydroxycyclopentane carbaldehyde. Next it is 4-oxopentanol. 3, 4 and 5 आ pentanol. 1, 2, 3, 4 oxo मतलब C double bond O. So this is the structure for 4-oxopentanol. It is 4th one. This is 3rd one. 4-oxopentanol. Next is given as di-secondary butyl ketone. Very important. Di-secondary butyl ketone. ये पूछेंगे आपसे. Di-secondary butyl ketone. It is 5th one. Di-secondary butyl ketone. कीटोन मतलब C डबल बॉन्ड हो. सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल इसको बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे भी सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल. This is di-secondary methyl ketone. What is IUPAC name? 3,4-dimethyl. 3,4-dimethyl. 7 carbons, so heptane, 4 on. Very important. Di-secondary butyl ketone. Next is 4-fluoroacetophenone. 4-fluoroacetophenone. C double bond O CH3. Acetophenone. 1, 2, 3, 4 पे फ्लोरो. 4-fluoroacetophenone. चेन तो यहाँ बनेगा. इसको कैसे नेम करेंगे? 4-fluorophenyl. 1 into bracket. 4-fluorophenyl. And then ethanol. Ethane 1 on or simple ethanol it will also do. So this is the name for 6th one. So if they give you the name, you have to write the structure. If it is not IUPAC name, you have to give IUPAC name also. Clear? Common names are equally important compared to IUPAC names. Reactions लिखनी है हमको. कोई भी नेम, बॉन्ड लाइन रिप्रेजेंटेशन किसी से भी पूछ सकता है. जैसे इस तरीके से भी बॉन्ड लाइन रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी हमने देखा हुआ है, सुना हुआ है ना. ऐसे बोलेगा इसका नाम लिखिए. How to write its name? This is bond line representation. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3-methyl butane 2 on. ઘણી વાર આવી રીતના લખી દેશે. અહીંયા ડબલ બોન્ડ O, પાછું ડબલ બોન્ડ O, અહીંયા H. આનું નામ બોલો. તો ડાઇકીટોન નથી, આલ્ડીહાઇડ છે. ટર્મિનો ઉપર આલ્ડીહાઇડ આવે. It is 2-oxopropanol. Many ways like આવી રીતના લખી શકે આપણને. CH3 whole thrice C, है ना? Then it is CO, again C, CH3 whole thrice. Open it and then give IUPAC. So don't do mistakes while writing structures. C पे 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप लगाना है. C के साथ 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप लगाना है. ऐसे आगे लिखना. फिर कीटोन ग्रुप है. फिर वापस C पे 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप लगाना है. एक्सपांड करना भी हमको आना चाहिए. कंडेंस फॉर्म में दिया हो तो एक्सपांड, बॉन्ड लाइन से नेम, नाम से स्ट्रक्चर, IUPAC नेम से कॉमन नेम, एवरीथिंग यू शुड नो. और जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे concepts will be clear. In organic you need more practice. Clear students? Next video we will talk about preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Now reaction start થશે. આગળના જેટલા ચેપ્ટર્સ થઈ ગયા બધીની reactions learn કરો, યાદ કરો, લખીને practice કરો, exerciseના sums solve કરો. Okay? More you will practice, more you will solve. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Don't keep in mind that organic is difficult. We are not able to solve. No, you are able to. But you need practice. Those who are practicing, they are doing very well. Okay, students, take care.